Alright, there's one notch. Get into a climb here. So we're turning to the right. Yep. Second notch of flap. So what's going to happen is that the left wing is going to drop, okay? And then we pick it up with the right rudder. Leave your feet on the rudder so you can feel it. Yep. Boom, right rudder, nose down, and then you pull back up. See, that one was a lot more worse. You see that?
Yep.
When you're back up, flaps 10.
Yep.
Alright, you see how there's a little bit of crosswind? Yep. Alright, so just like we talked on the side slip, a little bit of right rudder. Are you at power idle?
Yes.
Good, a little bit of right rudder. Okay, good. Okay, slow down, it's okay, it's okay. Let her drop, up, 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 up. Alright, oop, 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 a little bit of power, I have control.
You have control?
There you go. Alright. You have control.
I have control.
So that's how you recover from a bounce.
I guess so.
Alright, so first one on the left. We'll exit on Foxtrot. Even though they haven't told us yet, we're going to exit on Foxtrot. We're going to stop, do our after landing checks, and we'll keep going. We'll ask them for permission to taxi if they don't get back to us by then. Which that guy is notorious for it.
Okay. Pull off in the same spot?
Yep, just after the line. Alright, pull back on the power, start stopping. Stop, 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 stop. Good. You don't want to stop too far away from it. Alright, otherwise you're starting to taxi. 1,000 RPM.
Post landing flaps up. Lean.
1 inch.
Alpha Victor Victor, taxi by Foxtrot, cross 30 Golf.
Alpha Victor Victor.
Time. Time is it?
Oh,